Good morning. In the earlier video, we was discussing about the mechanism of that Hunsdiker reaction, where we studied that silver salt of acid first react in the with Br2 in the first step to form acyl hypobromite. In second step, that acyl hypobromite undergoes homolytic fission to form acyl oxy radical, and Br radical is also formed there. Okay, now the third step is here. So in the third step we are taking that acyl oxy radical, that is RCOO with radical. Again homolytic fission takes place, we get R radical plus CO2 get removed here. And the fourth step, as this is a propagation steps, in the next step again that R radical means alkyl radical react with that first acyl hypobromite and we get alkyl bromide, and again we get acyl oxy radical, so on the reaction will be continued here. Then our next topic is, now here we are going to discuss and study about specific acid. So first we will see the unsaturated aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. Unsaturated means a compound where it contains double bond or triple bond. Aliphatic and it is monocarboxylic means it contains only one COH group. So in this criteria, first acid which we are going to study is crotonic acid. What is the formula for crotonic acid? It is CH3 CH double bond CH COH. First we will discuss the method of formation of crotonic acid. We earlier also prepared this crotonic acid, as you remember, in the chapter 3 or unit 3, that is in aldehyde and ketone. So same reaction we are going to repeat here. So first method of formation is by oxidation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Here we are taking alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde CH3 CH double bond CHO. This simply undergoes oxidation in presence of that Tollens reagent. So we get alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is crotonic acid. The simple reaction is that aldehyde get converted into acid by using Tollens reagent as oxidizing agent. The second reaction or method of formation is by dehydration of beta hydroxy acid. Now beta hydroxy acid, as you get that beta hydroxy acid as a final product for aldol condensation, okay, that beta hydroxy acid, that is CH3 CHOH CH2 COH. Here that OH get attached to beta carbon and therefore it is beta hydroxy acid. It undergoes simple dehydration reaction to form that crotonic acid. Then third one is Norwegian reaction. This reaction you also studied, so we will not discuss it so specifically here. So this acetaldehyde reacts with malonic ester in presence of pyridine, so we get a crotonic acid as a product. So these are the method of formation for crotonic acid. Now we switch towards the chemical reactions of crotonic acid. Simple addition reaction will take place because crotonic acid is an unsaturated acid so it is having double bond. So whenever double bond or unsaturation is there, generally addition reaction takes place. So the first reaction is addition of halogen acid. We are taking HBr. So this crotonic acid when reacts with HBr, addition reaction across CH double bond CH takes place and we get 3-bromo-butanoic acid as a product. Now the next one is addition of that phosphorus halide. Here you have to remember that in that case, whenever this crotonic acid reacts with this phosphorus halide, it may be PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, OH from COH gets substituted by 1 Cl. So CHOH becomes COCl. So we get crotonyl chloride as a product. Then the third reaction is formation of salt. Being an acid, it reacts with base to form salt. So here crotonic acid also reacts with base like NaOH to form salt, that is sodium crotonate. and water also get removed. So it is simple reaction where acid reacts with base to give salt and water. The fourth reaction is reaction with halogen. So when we treat this crotonic acid, or we react this crotonic acid with halogen, again addition reaction across CH double bond CH takes place and we get dibromo derivative of that crotonic acid. So this is all about the chemical reactions of crotonic acid. Thank you.